Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, good morning to all of you guys who all are watching me right now. And in this video, I am going to share about 3 or 4 technique. If you guys realistically follow what will I ask you to do, then you are also going to speak English as I speak. So that is why I want you to please watch this video until it very end. And I'm sure you are going to love this video so much. Okay, so before I dive into this video, I want to say here something, and that is, guys, try to put yourself in uncomfortable situation. Yeah, like if you are learning something initially, then obviously it will be harder for you, right? And that's how if you are learning English, like right now I am learning English in this context, I am also struggle, right? So that is why you see, guys, for a few days back, because I also want to improve my speaking English in the context, right? But otherwise, if you guys are watching my previous video, then you guys would know. If you guys have watched my previous video, then you guys would know that I mostly used to make vlogging videos, right? So, and right now some of you guys ask me, Nakul, how do you learn English? So if I try to speak this kind of sentence, means if I try to explain in English, how do I learn? So I feel struggle, right? So that is why, especially in order for me to learn English sentences in this context, so that is why from some days I am continuously making this kind of videos where I explain how do I learn English and with some tips and techniques. So that's how I improve my fluency, right? Though I am not enjoy the process what I am talking right now, right? But yes, a few days back I am continuously speaking in this context, so that is where I got fluency a little bit, right? So that is where right now I am able to speak right now, as you can see, right? But otherwise, for the first time when I speak in this context, my English was like crumble, right? But right now I am able to speak English. Okay, so first thing that you should always remember, that is, in order for you to learn something new, you have to put yourself into uncomfortable situations, right? Yeah, as I put, right? So next, if you are watching the video from here, right, that means you understand what I am saying, right? That means you don't need to read grammar, right? You have read multiple times, right? So that is why right now whatever I am speaking, you understand, and that is why also you are watching till here, right? So that is why you don't need to read grammar. And here, that is, you have to remember maybe sentence construction. Watch some videos where they have taught the sentence construction, right? And if you watch the video sentence construction, then you would know how to construct even simple sentences and complicated sentences, right? So that is why sentence construction is a thing that is crucial in order for you to improve your English, right? So tip number 2, you can say, right? And that is, watch the video in which context you would like to improve. Like for a few days I am watching this kind of videos. By the way, I do not have time to watch, right? Actually I am doing another work, so that is why I don't have time to dedicate into reading or listening or watching right now, right? Here actually I watch one YouTube channel. Yes, there is a YouTube channel called Veronica English Diary, right? And I watch her channel, and yeah, I just watch her channel, and whatever she speaks and words or sentences come into my mind, and I try to explain in her style, right? Yeah, that means whatever I am speaking here, the way I speak, and this is the way she speak, right? And the same way I also try to make you understand here, right? Means you also have to watch some few YouTube channels, right? No, there are lots of YouTube channel, right? You also have to watch few YouTube channel, minimum 2 or 3 YouTube channel, and that's through you can learn English. If you watch some channels, then you can understand what she speaks the word, how she speak the words, and how she or he speak the pronunciation correctly, right? But if you watch multiple channel, then you are going to demotivate, right? Or you are going to, like, he says in other way the word and she says in other way the word, right? So that's how you are going to in wrong trap, right? So that is why make sure to select some specific channel also, and that's through you also can improve your fluency like your favorite English teacher or whose channel or her channel you watch, right? So next thing, listening and reading is the most important skill. Means you have to do everything, right? But I explain in step by step what all you have to do, right? Means just after selecting some few specific channel, you have to watch those videos multiple times, right? Multiple times watch and read and listen, right? Listen time, make time to listen. Or if you can record yourself. So that's how you also can improve your pronunciation, right? So means just after selecting some few channels, watch those videos multiple times. Not just watch, you have to listen to lots of times. Like you have to make time to listen. Because, and you might have a question, Nakul, I don't have so much time to listen. Guys, you intentionally have to make time. Like if you want, you can listen multiple times. But how? Like for example, while I was coming, right? Actually, I have come here to tie my pairs, and while I was coming, I was listening some videos that are related to my contacts, right? So that's how you also have to make time to listen to, right? So that's how you can improve your listening skill, right? And if you listen more and more, then you guys understand the pronunciation, and you can listen the word or catch the word carefully, and that's how you react through your mouth. So that is why listening is the very crucial thing in English journey, in English speaking, right? And next thing is reading. Guys, you also have to dedicate to 10 or 15 minutes or even 1.5 hour, right? 1.5 hour in a day to read. Yes guys, reading is the most important thing in order for you to improve your fluency. When you watch the video, any contact in your contacts, right? Just after watching, if you read the captions or if you click the title in the video, then you will get to see the transcript feature, and when you click there, then you will get to see the entire conversation or entire speak, whatever I am speaking, right? So entire captions you will get to see there. So just after watching, you have to read out loud so that you can improve your fluency, right? But otherwise, you guys know, improve your fluency is very complicated thing. So that is why reading is the skill that you have to do every single day. And next, last but not the least, and that is reviewing. What do I mean by reviewing? Guys, whatever you are learning today, so try to make sure you will see the word or sentences, whatever you have learned today, you have to review them at least continuously 5 days, right? But otherwise you will forget them, right? So that is why try to review them continuously 5 days, right? In order for you to make them stronger. But otherwise, whatever you are learning today, if you do not practice just after 2 or 3 days, then you will forget everything what you have learned today, right? So that is why reviewing is the thing that is crucial in English journey, right? Okay guys, so that's all for today, I think. And also there is a guy who disturbed me, by the way, and he hides right now, right? Now you might hear the sound, right? Okay, so that's all for today, I think. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I also have made a lots of mistake in this video, because as I told you guys earlier that even I don't know how to speak fluent English, or I am also in the initial phase in this context, right? So that is why I have made a lots of sentence, right? But while editing, I will get a lots of mistakes what I have made right now, right? Okay, so that's all for today. Like and bye bye.